We are hearing more and more about how our gut health affects so many areas of our overall health. Research shows it even affects your brain health.
We'll be using a naturally derived investigational medication named GV971, a marine algae-based compound that may help restore the natural balance of microorganisms in your gut, lessening inflammation in the body and brain, and may stop or prevent the formation of plaques and tangles that we know to be the hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease.
The Green Memory Study needs volunteers aged 50 to 85 with mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease. We are looking for individuals who have not taken Alzheimer's medications like Aricept, Exelon, Razodine, or Namenda within the last 4 weeks, or who may be considering stopping these medications based on discussions with their doctors.
Whereas many other trials are fully placebo-controlled, the Green Memory Study has an open-label portion where all participants who finish the initial trial are guaranteed oligominate, the investigational medication.
This phase 3 placebo-controlled trial is seeking approval from health authorities in the US and Europe after previously being approved in China. Research centers will work closely with you to monitor the care of your patient. The physicians at the trial site will share any pertinent findings affecting your patient's health and refer them back to you for routine care.
If you feel that you have patients looking for other resources for their Alzheimer's disease plan of care that is beyond what is currently available, we look forward to the opportunity to partner with you to give them something new, something different. This is an important trial, and we look forward to discussing ways that we can make this available to your patients.